Hello everybody. Yeah, I don't even know at this point. Yeah, I'm guessing you're here for the video, alright. So I can either get this done in, a very short amount of time, or I will never get past you in, like, oh, I keep, I'm, I should have passed there. I'm being a hypocrite. Yeah. Loki recently learned how to side dash. That was very embarrassing. Oh,